What if we would like to share now this kind of map with our colleagues? There are a few options to do it. The first one is just save the file and send the file and show how to open this 3D map on the Insert tab within Excel, and the user will be able to interact with the map as we do now. Option number 2 is create a print screen. You can find on the Home tab capture screen option, and when you paste it you will get a normal static picture. The last option to share a 3D map is to create a video. You can see that each of the scenes is set to last some kind of time, like 10 seconds. You can find also some other options for each of the scenes, even some kind of additional graphical effects. And when you set all of this information like here, you can create a video from that. You can even play a tour to have a look how it looks like, and especially if you load a lot of information and a lot of graphical effects, you will see a fancy animation. I don't use it in practice, but maybe you will find it useful, and when you create a video, then you can place this video into your presentation.